Hi folks, this is UM-based chiropractor Dr. Dean Fitzgerald here at Leading Edge Chiropractic in Roosevelt, Utah. We're here today with Chris. How you doing, Chris?
I'm doing great now.
Great now?
Yeah.
So Chris has had some problems. I'm going to let him tell you about it. Could you tell our viewing audience some of your experience before you came to me and then maybe some of your experience after you came to me?
Yeah, absolutely. I had back pain off and on for a number of years. Low back pain really bad for like the last 10 years. Occasionally it would go out, spasm, I couldn't even get up and move around. And here recently, probably, gosh, it's been 6 months ago or so, I heard it and it continued to get worse and continued to get worse. I went to the doctor, they were giving me muscle relaxants and prescribed physical therapy, which I did. It just wasn't getting better. And so that's when I came in to you. I had heard about spinal decompression therapy and I saw that you did it. Your reviews were good and I came in and talked to you. And so you set up a treatment program for me and it's been great. It took a while, it did. We were probably 4 weeks into the treatment. The pain was starting to reduce and then at about 4 weeks, I just did great. All of a sudden, in fact, I told you I don't have any pain anymore.
And we kind of talked about it doing that, correct?
Yeah, exactly. In fact, you said that day when I came in, you said maybe that disc finally slipped in, something, it took. And I've been great since. I'm still pain-free. It's been about 5 or 6 weeks since we stopped the decompression therapy, coming in for a follow-up, like you said, and I'm still pain-free. I've shifted a few things, like I walk regularly, and that keeps me in good shape, but no pain, and that's just amazing to me. So it worked.
Great.
Yep.
Now you'd looked at a couple other treatment options, but they were pretty expensive.
They were. In fact, the other option in town, they wanted me to take out a loan at a local bank. It was over $10,000. And honestly, that's part of the reason I came. Your price was very reasonable within our budget. We don't make a lot of money, so that was a big deal. And I had looked. U of U does some stuff similarly. They wanted me to see a neurologist. There was a lot of consults we were looking. In fact, I'm not even sure they would have taken me out there. And we couldn't make the daily trip to Salt Lake to do that. And so that's why I ended up here with you.
That's one thing about it, folks. My equipment's all paid for. I've been in practice 20 years. I don't have to charge exorbitant prices, and we're able to help a lot of folks. So, Chris, go ahead and lay face down, and we'll get you adjusted.
Excellent.
So, folks, I don't know if you can see, but that leg here goes a little short when we put him up there. Tells me there's a little bit in his pelvis going on. And relax your shoulders down. Let it fall. Drop it.
Oh,
Relax that shoulder down. Let it. Good.
There we go.
Good. Let's turn it on your side facing me. So when I was telling you about his feet there, we told me there was something in his pelvis. We're getting ready to adjust that right now. Relax that shoulder. Good.
There.
That's feeling okay, huh?
Yep, it's feeling good.
Sometimes I get people telling me things look a little rough, but that wasn't rough, right? That didn't
No.
hurt you? Have I ever been rough or ever really hurt you? Or?
No. Nope, it's been good.
Let it go. Let's try that a little different way.
Okay. I felt it. Yep.
I'll do it move? Okay, good. Drop your shoulders back.
Oh, yeah.
Let it relax. Good. right there at our camera and smile for me. Yep.
Good.
Good. Feels
Is
good.
that okay for you?
Yeah.
You got anything to tell our viewing audience?
You know, if you have any kind of concern with back pain of any sort, especially low back pain, and if you're thinking about doing spinal decompression, come see Dr. Fitzgerald. He did wonders for me, and I know he could help other people as well. So thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You bet.
This is your Uinta Basin chiropractor, Dr. Dean Fitzgerald here at Leading Edge Chiropractic in Roosevelt, Utah. We'll see you when you come in.